2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?